What if I told you the biggest thing holding you back in your trading isn't your strategy, it's you? It's not your indicators, not your charting platform, not the market. It's your habits. And here's the uncomfortable truth. You can't expect professional trading results while operating with amateur habits. Most traders spend years searching for the perfect strategy, believing the next indicator or the next course will finally make them profitable. But the reality is this. The difference between consistently profitable traders and everyone else isn't a secret strategy they trade, but how they think, prepare, and execute. Professional traders don't win because they're smarter. They win because they built professional habits that keep them disciplined, consistent, and emotionally in control. If your trading feels like a constant cycle of winning, losing, chasing, and starting over, this video could be the turning point you've been looking for. I'm Kevin Lloyd with Market Pro Trading, and today I'm going to break down the habits that separate amateur traders from professionals and show you how changing just a few of them can completely transform the way you trade and your trading results. Let's get started. Habit number one, professionals trade their plan. Amateurs trade their emotions. Let's start with the biggest difference between amateur and professional traders. Professional traders don't wake up, open their charts, and ask, what should I trade today? That question was answered before the market even opened. They've already done the work, and they know exactly which tickers are watching, which setups met their criteria, where they'll enter, where they'll exit if they're wrong, and where they'll take profits if they're right. They know how much they're willing to risk and when they'll stop trading for the day. When the market opens, they don't chase a shiny object that pops up on the screen. They're waiting for their edge to appear. Amateur traders do exactly the opposite. They jump from chart to chart looking for action. They chase the hot stocks because they're moving. They enter trades out of boredom, out of fear of missing out. They convince themselves that this one looks good even when it doesn't match any trading strategy. That's not trading, that's gambling. And professional traders are consistent because they're patient enough to wait for high probability opportunities that fit their trading plan. The market rewards preparation, not impulsive decisions. If you don't have a predefined trading plan before the market opening bell rings, you're not making decisions based on a process. You're making decisions based on emotion, and trading on your emotions is very expensive. Amateur habit number two, breaking your own rules. This one hurts because almost every trader knows what they're supposed to do. They just don't do it. You move your stops, you average down, you chase a breakout that's already gone by, you hold losers way too long hoping they'll come back, then you wonder why consistency feels impossible. Professional traders don't make decisions based on emotions. They make decisions based on predefined rules. Discipline isn't doing the right thing when it's easy. Discipline is doing the right thing when your emotions are screaming at you to do something else. Amateur habit number three, obsessing over money instead of process. Here's one of the biggest mindset shifts you'll ever make. Stop asking yourself, how much money did I make today? Start asking, did I execute my process correctly? Professional traders understand something amateurs just don't. You don't control the profits. You control your execution. If you execute well over hundreds of trades, the profits will take care of themselves. But if every trade is judged only by the dollars made or lost, your emotions will control every decision. Focus on process, the money follows. Amateur habit number four, never reviewing your trades. Imagine a professional athlete who never watched game film. Sounds ridiculous, right? Yet thousands of traders finish the trading day, close their laptop, turn off their computer, never review a single trade. Professional traders journal. They review every trade. They identify the mistakes they've made. They measure performance, how they can improve for the next day. Every losing trade contains valuable information. Every winning trade contains valuable information. If you're not reviewing your trades, you're repeating your mistakes. Because the growth doesn't happen during the trade. It happens during the review. Amateur habit number five, looking for the holy grail strategy. Every week there's a new indicator, a new strategy, a new Discord, some new AI tool, a new promise of easy money. Amateurs are consistently changing their strategies. Professionals, they master one. Consistency doesn't come from collecting more. It comes from executing one proven edge exceptionally well. The trader who knows one setup inside and out will outperform the trader chasing 20 different strategies every time. Mastery beats variety all the time. There's one thing I want you to remember from this video. It's this. Your results are a reflection of your habits. The market doesn't reward hope, it rewards preparation. Professional traders, they don't magically become disciplined after they make money. They make money because they become disciplined. Winning isn't a single trade. It's the result of hundreds of small decisions made correctly over time. So today, don't ask yourself, how can I make more money? Ask yourself, what habit do I need to change to become consistently profitable? Because when your habits change, your execution changes. And when your execution changes, your consistency changes. And when your consistency changes, your entire trading career changes. If you're serious about making the transition from amateur to professional trader, subscribe to Market Pro Trading. Every week, I drop free content that will help you build the skills, discipline, and trading processes that professional traders use to stay consistent. I'm Kevin Lloyd with Market Pro Trading, and my mission is simple: to help traders stop gambling, start following a process, and build long-term success. So trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.